New Balance 9060 Multicolor Honest Review. Is it worth the hype or it's overhyped? So let's find out. So let's go to the design and style. The multicolor version stands out with a bold streetwear friendly look while keeping the chunky Y2K inspired silhouette that made the 9060 popular. Let's go for the comfort and fit. The midsole uses absorbed cushioning and SBS pods, which provides a soft yet responsive feel. Most wearers of this shoe finds them comfortable for all-day use. So let's go for the quality and materials. The suede and mesh construction feels premium and durable, but some colorways might show dirt more easily. Let's go for the pricing and value. The retail is mid-range for sneakers, but the resale prices can go higher depending on demand. They complete they compete well with Nike Dunks and Adidas Campus in terms of the price. So, for final verdict, if you love standout sneakers with comfort and quality, the 9060 Multicolor is worth buying. But skip the resale if prices get too inflated. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.